Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can publish your own book on Amazon for free. Yes, I know you must have heard about Amazon Kdp and how others are making money on Amazon Kdp. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step way on how you can publish your own book on Amazon without getting any rejection. Yes. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Mary Joy. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm also a content creator. In this channel, I share strategies, tips, and opportunities that you can leverage on to make money for yourself online. So if this is something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a video. And also you can like this video and share with other people that you feel that this video would be useful for. So without further ado, let's jump right into the business of today. So right now, I'm going to be showing you how you can start publishing your own book on Amazon. So first of all, we're going to actually log into our Amazon Kdp account. So you come on Google and you type Amazon Kdp and you click on this first part, Amazon Kdp. So I already have an account with Amazon before now. So if you're watching this video and you don't have an account with Amazon, don't worry. I already created a video showing you the exact way you can also create your own account on Amazon for free. I'm going to be linking that video in the description box and also at the top of this video. So do well to also create your own Amazon Kdp account if you have not created an account before. So right now, you're going to click on your account. Once you click on your account, it's going to bring you to this area. Then you click on bookshelf. So now we have come to the publishing aspect. Once you've gotten to this page, you click on create. Then once you create, it's going to bring you to this section where it's going to ask you, are you publishing a Kindle ebook or a paperback? So we are going to be working with Kindle ebook. That's what we're going to be publishing. So you're going to type create ebook. So I'm believing that before you watch this video or before coming to watch this video, you already have your book already made and your book cover that's already done. If you don't know how to create a book cover, because one thing you should understand about Amazon Kdp is that once you have a good book cover alongside with your keywords and other things, your book is actually going to do well. So if you don't have a good and captivating book cover, it might actually affect your chances of succeeding or your chances of making a lot of sales on Amazon Kdp. So as a result of that, I'm also going to be linking a video on how you can create your own book cover using Canva on Amazon Kdp. So actually look out for that video. I'm going to link it in this video or in the description box. So that being said, right now, let's get started. So you're going to be asked the language that you want to actually publish your book on. If your book is not going to be published in English, then you can just change the language from English to the language that you want to be publishing your book in. Then now you're going to come to the title of your book. What book are you publishing? What's going to be the title of that particular book that you're publishing? You're going to put the title here. Do you understand? So this place is for your book title, depending on what your book title is. Maybe how to be or rather, let's just say the perfect wife or something like that. Just something in that light. Then you can now come here and say, step-by-step guide to being a perfect wife or something like that. Just put your subtitle. But if you don't have a subtitle, you can actually leave it. But all these things are just so that your book can be easily seen. Do you understand? When you put all these things together. So if you don't have a subtitle, there's no problem. You can just move on to the next place. It says add series details. If your book is not in series, just leave that part, leave that option blank. For edition number, it's also optional. Just leave it blank. If your book does not have it's not different editions, there is no need for you to actually fill that information. So you can just leave that place blank. So now coming to this author, one thing you should know is that, especially for people that are in Nigeria or maybe other countries that our names actually would literally just give us off of where we are coming from or where we live. Do you understand? So for example, let's say you are bearing for Nigeria, bearing Chukwudu, maybe Nonso or something like that. They will already know that, okay, this person is from Nigeria. And depending on the topic you are writing on, Do you understand? Depending on the topic you're writing, you should be careful of the kind of names that you use, because your name can also deter you from achieving success when you're trying to publish your book on Amazon. So, and if you read here, it says, enter the primary author or contributor. Pen names are allowed. So in this case, if you have a name that you know that this name would actually hinder or affect the number of sales that you make on this book, it is actually good that you go for a pen name. And because you're working with the US, you can just look for browse US names and be sure that you can actually use that name. The name is not copyright. And you can actually use a pen name. You can just say, let's just say Camille Johnson. Do you get that kind of thing? So it will help you sell more. If the book you are selling is going to, like, your name is going to have an effect in the book. Do you understand? Or something that you know that this is a US market. If you don't know this particular thing, it might affect your sales. And this is a secret that I'm actually sharing with you that some persons don't actually know about it. So I'm sharing this secret with you. So having understood that part, then you come to contributors. If there are no contributors for your book, there is no need to actually fill that part. Just leave it blank. So for this description, so now to write your description, it's not just, you don't just come and just start writing description based on the way Amazon KDP works. You need to like use a description format. So we're going to be using something we call Kindle Premium. Do you understand? So that's what we're going to use to. So when you click on it, you come here and click on Book Description Generator. Then it's going to bring you to this aspect. It's very easy to use. There is no issue. Just come here and you write your description over here. Do you understand? So what is the name of your book? Let's say how to be a perfect wife. And also remember, your book description is also one thing that's going to help your book to sell on Amazon. Your book description is very, very important. So whatever information that you feel like people should know about your book, you can put it here. Do you understand? So how to be a perfect wife, blah, 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 blah. You write all the things you want to write. After you finish writing it, then you come over to this place. You can actually bold in your text. You can use italics, bold. You can make use of all these things that are here. You can use numbers depending, but just make sure that your description is very, very good and would make people actually want to click on the buy button. So you're going to now click on generate code. Do you understand? So this is the code. All you need to do is just copy the code. Once the code has been copied, you come back to your description and you paste the code. That is it. That is it. So once you paste this code, forget about all this thing that is written there. It's not a big deal. Once you finish pasting your book description, then you come here. I own the copyright and I own the necessary publishing rights. You actually pick that. So here now, in this particular section, like I was telling you about Amazon KDP, like having a good book cover and your keywords. Keywords are what your customers would be searching for. These are the words that they'll be searching for. And once you're able to use the right keywords, the chances that you would find or your customers will actually find your product is very, very high. So it's very important that you use the right keywords when you're trying to publish your books. So for example, let's say how to be a perfect wife. Like you can just say, okay, marriage, and relationship. They're actually like, let me just tell you this thing. They're actually researches that you need to do in order to be able to get the right keywords. There are a lot of research that you need to do. So there is actually a course that I have that I can actually recommend to you if you are looking to like go into Amazon KDP and know all the secrets. But what I'm going to be sharing with you today, you can actually use it to start. Then when you are able to raise money to get those courses, you can actually buy them because they're actually very important and they will actually open your eyes to some of the things that you need to know. So that being said, let us continue. So let's just say marriage and relationship. Let's just say I'm actually thinking about this over my head right now. So let's just say, and once you already put like your title, there's no need to put your title in your keyword section, you're actually just wasting that box. Do you understand? The fact that it's already in your title is already a keyword. So you actually need to look for something that is not related to your title, something that is not in your title at all. That's what you're going to use as your keywords. Something that is not related in your title, but you know that people will be searching for it. Let's just say divorce, maybe love. You get, you don't need to put comma, love. Just look for words that people will be searching for. So after you fill your keywords section, you go down, then you choose the category. In this category, you can actually choose only 2 categories. So the category of that book is non-fiction. If I'm publishing that book, non-fiction, then you look for the section where it falls into. I can choose family and relationship. You get then a category that fits into what your book they are promoting. Let me just choose anyone, just for the sake of this video. I just want to show you and just choose your marriage or long-term relationship. That's fine. So you just click on save. There are also things I need to know about these categories, because there's some categories that are oversaturated, some are undersaturated that you can enter and still fit into the book you're trying to publish. So these are the things that you need to know and understand about publishing your book so that you get success in it. So I haven't set that category now. We are going to leave this age range. We're going to leave it. So I am ready to release my book now. Yes, we're ready to release our book. So you just click on save and continue. So after you do that, it's going to take you right over to the next page. So it's going to be bringing you over to this page after you complete that other page, after you complete the other details. So when you get to this place, it's going to ask you if you want to enable DRM on this Kindle ebook. If you want to know more about DRM, you just come over to this space and you actually read on what DRM means. So I'm going to be leaving it as low. So you're going to be asked to upload your ebook manuscript. I believe by now you already have your book ready. So your book has to be in docs, EPUB, or KDP format. You can also check for the full list here. So I'm just going to be uploading my book now. I'm going to be uploading the manuscript of my book. And just hold on, it's not going to take too long. So it has already been uploaded. Once you already upload the book, so this area is where you're supposed to put like your book cover, your ebook cover. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a video where you can create your own ebook cover using Canva. So, but if you don't have an ebook cover, you can actually use this section. You launch your cover creator. From here, you can create your ebook cover. But if you already have an ebook cover, maybe you created it on Canva, all you just do is just click on upload your ebook, upload a cover you already have. Do you understand? That's what you're going to do in that case. But if you don't have a cover already, just use this section. So then you come down to this place. You don't need ISBN for an ebook. It's only when you're doing like paperback. So what you just click on, you click on save and continue. So it will automatically bring you to the last part. So in this last part is basically the pricing and all. So this way says, enroll my book in Kdp Select. If you want to know more about Kdp Select, you can actually read about it here. So you can just click on this. You can just tick it or not. So when you click on Kdp Select, if you want, that's if you already understand what it means. So you now, you come down to this place and you now have to choose like, you have to price your book basically. So let's say you price your book at $4.99. So when you price your book at $4.99, so if you come to this page, you will see how much you're getting for a 70% royalty. You are going to be getting $3 for every of the book, $3.49 for every of the book that you sell. So always be careful when you're pricing your book. You know how much that you will be making after Amazon has removed their own royalty. So you need to have that at the back of your mind also. Before you even price your book, you need to understand what the kind of niche that you're working on. like how do they price their books. It's also going to give you an average of how much you should price your book so that you won't underprice or overprice your book. So I don't want to make this video too long already because I'm sure it's already too long. So I'm just going to, when you price your book, you just come. Amazon say it takes up to 72 hours to publish your title to be available on Amazon. So you just click on publish your Kindle ebook. Once you publish your Kindle ebook, so Amazon is going to send you, you get a notification. You get a notification on Amazon saying that, okay, your book is in review and your book is going to be published in the space of 72 hours. Sometimes it doesn't take up to that. They might, if there is any issue with your book, they'll send you a message. If there is no issue, in less than 72 hours, your book is going to be published. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you actually got value from this video. If you did, I would love you to leave a comment in the comment section telling me that you enjoyed the video and you actually got value from the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so whenever I drop another video, you'll be notified, and also turn on your post notification bell. Like and share this video to those that you know that will be interested in watching this kind of video too. Thank you. Bye.